You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. Miss Stassi, we are out here and we are chasing the sun, literally. So the sun is going down. We're gonna try to hurry up, get these shots, and I'm gonna put her Instagram in the bottom left-hand corner. One light setup. You see this beautiful sun. So we're getting shots going and then gonna try to go to the next location. You ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let me, yeah. So right now I am using high-speed sync because I don't have a ND filter with me. Okay. All right, you wanna do a test shot? 1, 2, 3. All right. So now I'm just gonna change the white balance and just get it a little bit warmer to what I like out here. So we at 8,000 Kelvin. And let's see. All right, you gotta come up just a little bit more. So yeah, I need you to be like right here. Yeah. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank you. Watch that. Perfect. Gorgeous. Hold that right there. 1, 2. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let me turn to the side for me and give me that same thing. Yep. Perfect. 1, 2. And take that left hand and kind of put it right there. Yep. 1, 2. And come up a little bit. I'm gonna get you kind of like in these trees a little bit. Yeah, like right, yep, right there is perfect. All right. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Take a step down a little bit, like right there. Yep. Perfect. All right. 1, 2, 3. Swing your legs like that way. Yeah, bring them over that way. Yeah, boom. That's it right there. All right, let's see. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, stand up for me. Yeah, and I like that. All right. I like that. If you put that foot back up, yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. Bring maybe that arm kind of in a little bit. Yeah. Actually, I like that one like that. And that one, you could kind of hang like right there. Yep. 1, 2. Let me come right here. 1, 2.
check when they bounce. I brought my brothers to the hills and now I can't get them out. They asking where we go from here. I told them up in the clouds. They say the good die young, but I think we gon' figure it out.
I'm gonna get you like right here. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yep, that's it right there. And yeah, 1, 2. All right, turn around and give me like a back. Yeah. Yeah, that way. Boom. Hold that right there. 1, 2, 3.
They say the good die young, but I think we gon' figure it out. Couple bad ones and they running their mouth. One of them grew up in the bay, the other one from the south. I don't know how I get home, but I figure it out. She said, okay, got the Uber on the way. Is you coming or not? Steady moving like a check when they bounce. I brought my brothers to the hills and now I can't get them out. They asking where we go from there. I told them up in the clouds.
All right, let's see. 1, 2. That's good. So right now we got the light coming from the left side. So the sun is giving her like some side light. Dasi is also twerking right now. All right, here we go. 1, 2. So we got side light coming in. So I'm gonna balance the light with the flash. All right, 1, 2. Come over in just a little bit so you're in the middle. Yep. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. All right. Alright, let's do that. Same thing. Alright, let's see. 1, 2. Hold that right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hold that. Yeah. Hey, hold that right there. 1, 2. Perfect. Alright. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Boom. Boom. 1, 2. Look towards the light. That one, yeah. Look on that. Yeah. Boom. And look straight to me. Look straight at me. Yeah. And bring your that arm in like your other arm. Yeah, perfect. All right. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.